Welcome to the fascinating world of pteridophytes. These ancient plants, more commonly known as ferns and their relatives, hold a special place in our planet's history and ecosystems. They were among the first plants to conquer land, paving the way for the rich diversity of plant life we see today. Pteridophytes are a testament to the power of adaptation and resilience. They have survived for millions of years, weathering dramatic changes in climate and environment. Their presence continues to enrich our world, from the lush greenery of forests to the delicate beauty of a single fern frond unfurling. In this exploration, we will delve into the captivating world of pteridophytes. We will uncover their unique characteristics, their remarkable life cycle, and their often overlooked importance to both humans and the environment. Join me as we journey into the heart of these botanical wonders. The term pteridophyte encompasses a diverse group of plants with a shared ancestry. While ferns are the most recognizable members, this fascinating group also includes horsetails, whisk ferns, and club mosses. Each group boasts its own unique features and adaptations. Ferns, with their characteristic fronds and delicate foliage, are the most diverse group within the pteridophytes. They thrive in a wide range of habitats, from shady forests to arid deserts. Horsetails, with their jointed stems and rough texture, are easily recognizable. Their ancestors were once giants of the prehistoric world, forming vast forests during the Carboniferous period. Whisk ferns, as their name suggests, have a distinctive whisk-like appearance. They lack true leaves and roots, relying instead on specialized structures for water and nutrient absorption. Club mosses, despite their name, are not true mosses. They possess true roots, stems and leaves, and their reproductive structures resemble tiny clubs, hence their common name. This incredible diversity within the pteridophytes highlights their evolutionary success. Each group has carved out its own niche in the web of life, contributing to the rich tapestry of our planet's ecosystems. One of the most significant evolutionary advancements in the plant kingdom was the development of vascular tissue. Pteridophytes, along with other vascular plants, possess this specialized internal network of tubes that transport water and nutrients throughout their structure. This innovation was crucial for plants to transition from water-dependent environments to life on land. Prior to the evolution of vascular tissue, plants were restricted to moist environments. They relied on diffusion to move water and nutrients, a slow and inefficient process. The development of xylem and phloem, the two main types of vascular tissue, revolutionized plant life. With xylem, plants could draw water and minerals from the soil and transport them upwards, defying gravity. Phloem allowed for the distribution of sugars produced during photosynthesis to all parts of the plant. This efficient transport system enabled plants to grow taller and more complex, opening up new ecological possibilities. The rise of vascular plants, including the pteridophytes, marked a turning point in the history of life on Earth. It paved the way for the development of forests, the diversification of plant life, and the eventual evolution of terrestrial animals, including ourselves. To truly appreciate the significance of vascular tissue in pteridophytes, we must delve deeper into the roles of xylem and phloem. These two specialized tissues work in concert, ensuring the efficient transport of vital substances throughout the plant. Xylem, primarily composed of dead cells, forms a continuous network of tubes from the roots to the leaves. Imagine a system of interconnected straws, drawing water and dissolved minerals upwards from the soil. This upward movement, driven by transpiration, the evaporation of water from leaves, provides the plant with the essential resources for growth and photosynthesis. Phloem, on the other hand, is composed of living cells. It forms a separate network of tubes transporting sugars produced during photosynthesis from the leaves to other parts of the plant. This sugary sap, known as phloem sap, provides energy and building blocks for growth and maintenance. The coordinated action of xylem and phloem allows pteridophytes to thrive in a variety of environments. They can access water and nutrients from the soil, transport them efficiently throughout their structure, and distribute the products of photosynthesis to fuel their growth and survival. Pteridophytes occupy a pivotal position in the evolutionary history of plants. They represent a crucial link between the simpler, non-vascular plants, such as mosses and liverworts, and the more complex seed plants, which include conifers and flowering plants. The appearance of vascular tissue in pteridophytes was a major evolutionary innovation. It allowed them to colonize a wider range of habitats and grow to larger sizes than their non-vascular ancestors. This, in turn, had a profound impact on the Earth's ecosystems. Pteridophytes were among the dominant plant groups during the Carboniferous period, approximately 359 to 299 million years ago. Their remains formed vast coal deposits, a testament to their abundance and ecological significance during this time. While seed plants eventually rose to dominance, pteridophytes continued to evolve and diversify. They remain an important component of many ecosystems today, particularly in tropical rainforests, where their diversity is highest. Their unique life cycle and adaptations continue to fascinate botanists and evolutionary biologists alike. The life cycle of pteridophytes is a captivating example of alternation of generations. This means that they alternate between two distinct phases, a diploid sporophyte generation and a haploid gametophyte generation. The sporophyte generation is the most familiar phase, represented by the leafy fern plant we see in gardens and forests. This generation is diploid, meaning it possesses two sets of chromosomes. On the underside of fern fronds, you'll often find small brown structures called sori. These sori contain sporangia, which produce spores through meiosis. Spores are single-celled reproductive units that are dispersed by wind. When a spore lands in a suitable environment, it germinates and develops into a gametophyte. The gametophyte generation is much smaller and often heart-shaped. It is haploid, meaning it possesses only one set of chromosomes. The gametophyte produces both male and female gametes, sperm and eggs, in specialized structures. Fertilization occurs when a sperm swims through a film of water to reach an egg. The fertilized egg, now a diploid zygote, develops into a new sporophyte, completing the cycle. This intricate life cycle, with its alternation of generations, is a hallmark of pteridophytes and their relatives. It highlights the complex and often unseen processes that underpin the reproduction and survival of these remarkable plants. Beyond their ecological importance, pteridophytes have a long history of practical use by humans. They have been utilized for a variety of purposes, from ornamental plants to sources of food and medicine. Ferns, with their elegant fronds and delicate foliage, are popular choices for gardens and indoor decoration. They add a touch of greenery and tranquility to both indoor and outdoor spaces. Some fern species are also used in floral arrangements, their delicate fronds adding texture and visual interest. In some cultures, certain fern species are consumed as food. For example, the young fronds of some ferns, known as fiddleheads, are considered a delicacy in parts of North America. However, it's important to note that not all ferns are edible, and some can even be toxic. Pteridophytes have also been used for medicinal purposes for centuries. Traditional medicine systems around the world have utilized ferns and their relatives to treat a variety of ailments. Some fern species contain compounds with antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. While modern medicine has largely replaced traditional uses, research into the medicinal properties of pteridophytes continues. Scientists are exploring their potential for developing new drugs and therapies. As we conclude our exploration of the fascinating world of pteridophytes, it's crucial to remember their vital role in our planet's ecosystems and their often overlooked importance to human societies. From the lush greenery of forests to the delicate beauty of a single fern frond unfurling, pteridophytes enrich our world in countless ways. Their ancient lineage and evolutionary innovations, particularly the development of vascular tissue, have shaped the course of life on Earth. Their presence in ecosystems around the world contributes to biodiversity, soil health, and the intricate web of life. We've uncovered their unique characteristics, their remarkable life cycle, and their practical uses in gardening, medicine, and more. Yet there is still much to learn and discover about these fascinating plants. I invite you to delve deeper into the world of botany, to explore the hidden wonders of the plant kingdom, and to appreciate the vital role that plants, including the remarkable pteridophytes, play in sustaining life on our planet.